This video is sponsored by AppMaker.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today we're going to see how we can add our own custom product page using Elementor. Let's get started. Now, if you're bored using the theme's old product page and you want to spice it up, you're at the right place. We're going to use Elementor to create our own custom product page. For that, we're going to need Elementor and Elementor Pro. Let's head over to the Elementor Pro website, which will be linked in the description. We're going to complete our purchase by buying one of these plans. You can choose your plan as per your need and complete your purchase. After you complete your purchase, they will give you a zip file. Now, to install that zip file, just head over towards your dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, click on Upload Plugin, and choose the downloaded zip file. And then click on Install Now. And in a similar way, you should install Elementor Theme Builder. Now, while both of these plugins install, let's talk a bit about our sponsor.
This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Now we're back, and as you can see, both of our plugins have been installed and activated. Let's start creating a custom product page. Go to Templates, click on Add New, choose the template as single product and name. Click on Create Template. You can also use one of the templates provided by Elementor Pro. To insert these, just click on them and click on Insert. And as you can see, our contents have been imported here with the template. Now, this looks fairly good, but we want to create our own custom. So let's delete them and start adding. First of all, what I like to do is add a margin. So let's start adding. Now, if you don't know Elementor, don't worry. We have Elementor tutorials on our channel, which will be linked in the description. So first we've added breadcrumbs. Let's add product images. Looks good. Let's add the product title. Give it a bit of margin. Text color will be black, and let's increase the size. Looks good. Go to typography, and we're going to change the weight to, let's say, 700. Let's add the price. and we're going to change the font, go to typography, and the font family will be hmm, let's increase the size a bit. Hmm, looks good. Now let's add the add to cart button, and yeah, let's change the button style. Give it a border radius of, let's say, 25 pixels. I'll leave text color as it is and go to background color. Looks good. And edit the quantity as well. Give it the same border radius of 25. If you have variations in your product, you can edit there from here as well. Now I'm going to add some product availability. We're going to add the product availability in a second. Let's add some more elements here. And the product meta, which is categories. Let's give it some margin. Hmm. Let's add another section. And we're going to add products here. Let's add related products. Let's give it some style. Spacing looks good. We're going to add the same background color to a button. Give it some border radius as well. And yeah, looks good. And as you can see, this is our product page. We're going to add the product availability and some rating later. Now this product page looks good. Let's click on publish. And we're going to have to add a condition. Choose the products and click on save and continue. Click on view live site. As you can see, this is our product page. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.